Have I ever told you about my son? Remarkable boy. Quite smart. He was born in a robot factory in the Solana galaxy. But to be precise, he was created much farther away. My son's name is XJ0461, but the universe knows him as Clank.
The Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits?
Sire does not remember. You must fix.
Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sisterboard scan.
All right, let's see. Favorite color's green, favorite number's 83 billion and 4.7, blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Locked out again! It's in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the Orbis chamber.
No Orbis chamber.
Your Zoniness! If we could take but a peek at the chamber.
No Orbis chamber. Chamber is for Sire only.
Very well. Then I think it's time our partnership came to an end. Say hello to...
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
the Hypersonic Brainwave Scrambler!
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weaponry.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake! Stop him!
Where are you going, Clank? Why are you coming? So we did this.
I'm your only hope of escaping Dr. Nefarious. Head into the air duct and keep moving.
The security locks in Sector...
Good. You're safe for now.
Where am I? What is Dr. Nefarious doing here?
I'll explain everything as soon as you're safe, sir. But right now, we need to calibrate your ocular response processes. Try looking at the ocular scanner on your left. Good. Okay, now look at the one on the right. Got it. All right, look at the scanner above you. Good. Now, there's one more beneath you. Got it! You're recalibrated. Now, keep moving. I'll hold them off as long as I can.
Breach detected in Sector 6. Dispatching time. Time anomalies detected on planet Cemu.
Sir, the registry shows that the number of Zoni has dwindled from 117,000 to 205.
Zoni! Come back! I was only kidding! Escape!
There's a perfectly logical explanation for that. But let's save it for another time. Let's throw them, sir. They belong to Dr. Nefarious.
tough talk, sir.
Hurry up, sir! Use your helipack!
Adverse time activity detected in Drogon sector.
They're on their way, sir! You have to move!
Clank is in Impulse Substation 6. Hard rooms are right up.
Sir, up here, quickly!
Roll!
Quick! They're right on your tail! Get cover, sir! I have an idea. I'm going to let the hypersonic brainwave scrambler into the room! Hurry! Before the energy dissipates! Good job, sir! Now keep moving!
Temporal catastrophe detected in 3, 2, 1.
What are you going to do if you escape, Clank? I'll have to fly you all the way to Polaris. I'll make you a deal. You show me how to get into one tiny, insignificant room, and I'll let you keep that pathetic tangle of freight wires.
Oh no! This is terrible! All of one is work ruined! I can't believe I let this happen!
Sir, we've located the caretaker's signal. He's in the Sector 1 room.
Sir, they've locked me in! Keep moving and don't let them anywhere near the chamber!
Clock integrity.
Go ahead. Jump!
Dr. Nefarious, I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it? This is your home! The Great Clock! A marvel of science and sorcery, engineered by the brightest Sony in all of existence, and constructed in the exact center of the universe! Give or take 50 feet.
I am curious. What lie did you tell the Zoni in your quest for vengeance?
Vengeance? You think I went to all this trouble for mere vengeance? They say I'm egomaniacal. Let's just say it's all in the past. Lawrence!
Right here, sir.
Ready the orb of gratuitous immobilization.
Shall I prepare the mnemonic station again?
No, I have a better idea.
But, sir...
Patience, Lawrence. We have all the time in the universe.
Space. It's huge. So huge, in fact, that if you lost your car keys in it, they would be almost impossible to find. Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus L. Quark was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my pensy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Look, just keep your eyes peeled. Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
Hang on. Shifting to evasive maneuvers.
Oh no, we're gonna die! We're gonna die! Oh, good thing I'm wearing clean underwear!
Will you shut up? We are not gonna die! Aphelion, engage gravimetric stabilizers!
Negative. Stabilizers offline. Thrusters offline. Landing flaps offline.
Alright, so we're gonna die. Hang on!
I know. So much for clean underwear.
Where the heck are we?
Beats me. Perhaps a leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery. Marooned on a hostile alien planet, Captain Quark realized his rescue mission would inevitably pit him against the most terrifying evil of all, nature itself. Ratchet! Nature is attacking! Hey! What are you shooting me for? Okay, slight problem. I'm not so good with swimming.
Just wait here. I'll find you another way across.
Oh, great. This rain is gonna be murder on my spandex. What's the plan, anyway?
Well, where there are bridges, there are people. Where there are people, there are ships. You see where I'm going with this?
Hey, that's pretty smart. You're gonna make a great sidekick. Look at this beautiful native craftsmanship. Take that, culture.
Whoa! Quark, are you seeing this? Something is seriously wrong with this planet.
It's like time is all not working. Rumble, you stupid door!
I'll find another way around. You gonna be all right with those things on the loose?
Please, I can handle a few tiny creatures. Help! Their parents are here! Take this, evildoer! the size of those things? They were horrible! Come on, maybe there's a hotel around here. Concerned for his compatriot's well-being, Captain Quark's noble sidekick ninja leaps from stone to stone. Below him, 6 deadly inches of crystal blue water. With his enemies vanquished, Captain Quark steals into the jungle, blaster at the ready, prepared to deliver swift justice to those who cross his path. Hey, look, they've got GremmelNet. Well, at least there's...
Are you tired of having to purchase a different weapon for every occasion? Then try GremmelNet's new Constructo line and take charge of your arsenal. Each weapon can be modified with any Constructo-approved upgrade. Rate of fire, ammo type, specialty triggers. If you can dream it, Constructo can deliver it. Now available in 3 flavors. The Constructo Bomb Glove, Constructo Pistol, and Constructo Shotgun.
All right, Chief. What can we do you for? You're all maxed out, Chief. Anyone asks, we never...
Civilized. You need anything? Is that one of those new Constructo bomb gloves? I've seen commercials for those back on Kurwan. This door is ajar.